The National Electrical Code Article 230.70 addresses overcurrent protection, specifically location in circuit, stating in its general provision that overcurrent devices must be located where the conductor to be protected receives its supply, with some exceptions listed in subsections 2 through 11. While the NEC doesn't explicitly define maximum mounting heights for service disconnects, industry standards offer valuable guidance. NFPA 70E, the standard for electrical safety in the workplace, advises mounting disconnect switches at a height that facilitates easy operation and maintenance. A common recommendation is around 6 feet, which is approximately 1.8 meters above the floor for indoor installations, and around 7 feet, about 2.1 meters, for outdoor setups. The IEC2, known as the National Electrical Safety Code, also provides similar recommendations concerning the mounting height of electrical equipment, including disconnect switches. Considerations beyond just height are important. Accessibility is paramount. The disconnect switch should be easily accessible for both operation and maintenance purposes. Visibility is key as well. The location of the disconnect switch should be clearly visible and adequately labeled to ensure easy identification. Protection from physical damage and environmental hazards is another must. The disconnect switch needs to be shielded from potential physical damage and any environmental hazards that may be present. Based on the NEC and the guidelines provided by industry standards, the recommended mounting height for a 400 amps disconnect within a multi-use building is approximately 6 feet, or 1.8 meters, above the floor. This height strikes a good balance among accessibility, visibility, and protection. Ensuring these considerations are addressed contributes to a safer and more efficient electrical installation. Therefore, remember the overcurrent device shall be located at the point where the conductor to be protected receives its supply. While the NEC does not have a maximum height, consider NFPA 70E and IEC2 for guidance. Remember to consider accessibility, visibility, and protection from damage. Consider that 6 feet, or 1.8 meters, is a good balance. Electrical safety is paramount, ensuring that installations meet code requirements and industry best practices. Understanding the location requirements for overcurrent protection and the recommended mounting heights for disconnects are crucial for any electrical installation project.